Hello, Grandad. Mum watched a movie, and in that movie was a song, and she really liked it, and she thought that you would probably like it too, and you might even know it. But so she asked me if I would learn it and sing it to you. So I have done my best, and I have found a backing track on YouTube. So here we go. The song is Nature Boy. It is very beautiful. There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy and sad of eye, but very wise was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. Elsa fancied joining in, it seems. Mum especially likes that line. It is beautiful advice. The greatest thing you'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. So that is it. I love you very, very much.